Okay, Bismillah. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna share with you or I'm gonna demonstrate and teach you on how to recover a hard drive that has contained a bad sector inside. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. What is a hard disk drive or HDD? A hard disk drive or HDD is an electromechanical data storage device that stores data such as the operating system like Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 and 11, and applications like Word, Excel. We have here a hard disk part. Now what is bad sector in a hard disk and why it has happened? So we also here a disk part like splitter, track sector, disk sector, cluster, actuator arm, and the head. A bad sector is a disk sector on a disk storage unit that is unreadable. When a bad sector occurs in a disk, the operating system will skip and not work. So in this video, I will give you the 3 common reasons why the hard disk drive resulting to a bad sector. Number 1, force shutdown or shut off PC improperly. Number 2, power interruption or outage. And number 3, virus or malware attack. We have here the preventive measures to avoid hard disk bad sector or damage. First, make a habit to shut down your computer properly by using a Windows shutdown menu. And the second is to protect from unexpected power interruption. Use UPS or uninterrupted power supply. This device maintains power in the event of a failure. And the third one is install original or licensed antivirus in your PC because there was a virus that designed to damage the sector of our hard disk drive. Take note also that dropping, falling, shaking the hard disk may result to damage. Anyway, before we proceed, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now let's proceed to the repair of bad sector HDD. Step 1, download the software application. Just click the link in the description below. Click download and click OK. Then when the download is complete, click open containing folder. Then extract it using Windows or Safe. So let's proceed to the step 2, install the software app. Just follow what I did. The screen. Okay, step 3. Let's proceed to the HDD scan and repair. So these are the bad sector of this hard disk. This is a 1 terabyte Toshiba HDD. Now let's open the HDD generator app. It was already installed. And click here. Now we are going to select Toshiba HDD drive. Then click Start Process. Now type number 2, normal scan with or without repair. Then press Enter. Now type number 1, scan and repair. Then press Enter. Then again type number 1. Start sector 0, then press Enter. Then scan and repair now started. So as we can see here, B as bad sector has been detected or found. Then it changes to R, meaning bad sector has been repaired or recovered. So at this time, be patient because it takes time to scan your drive. Just sit back and relax while taking a coffee break. The scan also depending the capacity of your hard drive. Backup data immediately. Almost done in my computer. So as we can see here, 2 bad sector has been found and repaired. So thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.